Hi everyone. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you change signature in Outlook. So first open your Outlook. So once you have opened your Outlook, on your left panel here, you'll see a settings option. So click on the settings button here. So here you will see signature. So open signature and here you will see your current signature. So we're going to just change it. So what do you have to change it? So we can just highlight that and then replace with whatever you wish to change. All right, or if you wish to add a picture instead of a picture, or your actual signature graphics or whatever that is you wish to, you can just use this picture button here, add picture, and then add your actual graphics or your actual signature or your any logos or anything that you want to. So you can use that and add that. So whatever it is, you can make all your changes here and then just click on save, and that's it. Pretty much it is. So once you click hit save, then your signature will be changed. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.